Veeru invested 10,000 at 5% simple interest exactly after 2 years. Joy invested 8,000 at 10% simple interest. So Veeru and Joy, and let's say the T0 starting date, then T1. So T0 paid 10,000 rupees Veeru has put at 5%. 10% is 1,000, 5% is 500. So add 500 rupees. So after 1 year, then after 2 years, it becomes another plus 500, 11,000 rupees. And at this point, Mr. Joy has put in 8,000 rupees. And the difference between these two values is of course 3,000 rupees. Now let's go 1 year later. T3 add another 500 rupees to Veeru. He gets 11,500. And then add 10%, that's 800 to Joy, and that becomes 8,800. And the difference between them becomes 2,700 now. Question is asking how many years after Veeru's investment के कितने साल बाद will their balances be equal? So this gap of 3,000 has become 2,700, then it will become 2,400, then it will become 2,100, and so on. It will keep reducing. At a point it will become 300, and finally it will become 0, and their balances will become equal. Okay? So we just need to find out how many years after Veeru's investment will these values be equal. Okay? So we have to count the number of terms over here. Let us count T1, T2, T3 and so on, T4 dot dot dot. So I have the first term 3,000. The final term is 0, or you can say that the final term is 3,000 and first term is 0. It's an AP plus n minus 1 into common difference 300. So you get n is equal to 11. ठीक है, n equal to 11 हो चुका है. So from T2 onwards 11 terms अगर हम आगे जाएं, what is this? Yeah, just remove this. Now it's just basic counting. So just add 11 terms from over here and we should be able to reach 12. ठीक है. In the 12th year their balances are equal. T2 to T12 11 terms have been achieved, and question is asking Veeru के कितने साल बाद. So from T0 to T12 12 years have elapsed. How many years after Veeru's investment? 12 years after Veeru's investment their balances will be equal, and that is question number 3. Very easy question.